Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to watch movies on YouTube for free. Alright, so let's begin with the video. YouTube actually has a massive catalog of free films, but the feature is a little hidden, which is why most people never find it. First, open YouTube on your computer, phone, or TV. On the left-hand side, click the hamburger menu to expand it. Scroll down until you find the Explore section. Then look for Movies and TV. If you don't see it right away, click Show More and then select Movies and TV from the list. Once you're on the Movies and TV page, look at the top and click on the Free with Ads tab. This will show you the full catalog of free movies available on YouTube. There are a lot of great options here. Under each movie, you'll see a label that says Free or Free with Ads. To watch a movie, simply click on it and it will start playing instantly. There's no login required, no subscription, and no extra setup. The ads are similar to what you'd normally see in a regular YouTube video. This feature also works on smart TVs, Xbox, PlayStation, Apple TV, and other platforms, making it feel similar to Netflix or Amazon Prime, except you don't have to pay anything. If you want to watch newer movies or recent releases, those are also available in the Movies and TV section. At the top, click Browse, then scroll down slightly to find Top-Selling Movies. You can rent or buy these using your Google account, but this is completely optional. Personally, the free library alone is surprisingly large and updated regularly, so there's usually something worth watching. And that's it. So that's basically how you can watch movies on YouTube for free. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.